With Lily, Mama. Lily. Lily, you want to steal Petunia's fans, isn't it? You want Petunia's fans. I'm talking to Petunia and you're answering, Mama. That's not on. Lily Gambino. Lily the Mobster. Petunia, you're a sweetie, Mama. You're a sweetie. Have you had enough to eat, Mama? Have you had enough to eat, Petunia? This is the time when I try to feed Petunia as much as I can, guys. Because, you know, breeding season, guys. She needs a lot of calcium. Mama! You're very hungry today, Petunia. That's not normal. You must have spent a lot of energy today. She's probably gone many places today and she spent a lot of energy, guys. I don't think I've ever seen her eat this much, guys. She eats a lot of flowers, grevilleas, lily-pillies, bottle, and so it's very unusual for me to see Petunia eat so much. Beautiful princess. Beautiful sweetie from heaven. Look at the little head. The little head. Beautiful mama. What do you want to say to all your fans, Mama, around the world? Fans of Petunia and your channel, Bajasira. What do you want to tell all your fans? Oh, that's Panchito calling you, Petunia. That's Panchito calling you. It's time to go home, Mama. It's almost 6 o'clock.